I want to hear you say, thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. We see the good thing you're doing. We see the good thing you are doing. And we are just pleading to fast track it. Now that is a valid message.
I tell Mr. President, thank you. Thank you, President. Thank you for what? Malawi's government are steadily taking their people home. Zimbabweans are steadily taking their people home. Mozambicans are steadily taking their people home. Our people are asked to leave their homes and come here to be lifted. They sold the little things they have. Their house rent here is monthly. It's not like Nigeria where you pay yearly. They pay house rent here monthly. And so people have told their landlord, bye-bye, I'm not paying my rent. And they have moved, only to be stranded here. And then you're telling us to thank the government of Nigeria. Why would we thank Mr. Tinubu? For what? That they ask people to come out. Even if you have not asked Nigerians to come out, we'll find our way. But you ask us to come out on winter, women and children on winter. And they are here stranded. And the politicians are there in Nigeria, arguing and satisfying themselves. And these people are left here with no hope. And you are telling us to tell Mr. President, thank you. What are we thanking you for? We sent you to go and do the job there. And if you feel that you can't do the job, resign. So that somebody who can do the job will fix Nigeria. A small country like South Africa is holding us ransom. Because our government does not know what they want. So if Tinubu cannot fix Nigeria, which we have seen, he can't fix Nigeria at home, he cannot help Nigeria in the diaspora. So why do we say we have a government? Then he should resign and allow people who can be able to, because he begged to apply. He said, please elect me and I'm going to save Nigeria. You are elected and you are doing nothing. Plane that has been arranged and people have left their home. Then we are stranded here and you are telling us to thank you for making us to be stranded. Whereas other African countries are already taking their people home.
Messina Shipping. Limpopo rivier Messina Malala drifpad.
The buses are leaving now. Our community is not a dumping site. Abahambe will clean up our communities. Can't invade our communities like this. So we've got 9 buses leaving. There's a total of 17 buses. Yeah.
Tanzania sizange sihamba nomphakathi manje ngizogqwala la sinama code number hambani ayiye asisebenzi ayiye
We can't be never again. We're not Who said that? If you left here, you're gonna tell us why you've been left out.
So we are after 20 years.
And lento bengiyibongayo ukuthi la bantu amanje manje lento bayesile nami ngiyayithanda and bayese kahle and ayikho umuntu ngizokwazi ucomplain ukuthi hayi ayikho lento leyo ngoba umuntu uyalongeza izwe lakhe and thina masibuya la sihamba eMalawi ngene sobona ukuthi sizoyenza njani nathi sizolungisa elizwe lethu ukuthi sibone ukuthi soba njani yabo and abantu abaningi abasemalawi bavumile nje manje ukuthi hayi lana into ngiyiboneke manje la ngeke ngiphinde futhi ngibuye yabo noma angivalele ukuthi 20 years singangene la ayekho nkinga nje mina ngeke ngicomplain kwabantu balana nje and bayayenza umsebenzi olight nje ngoba vele nje thina bese yanqwelisa lana nje khuluma iqiniso nje and buka ke manje abantu basemala babelekile ngapha entsheni baningi nje and abanye baphumela like maybe baningi moza angisazi ke manje ukuthi ethini ke inamba yabantu baphumile lana nje and kulena sesikhathi bese 10,000 then kwaphinda futhi bafika abanye baningi same time maybe 13,000 and until ke manje abanye bangene namhlanje lana kuleya camp baningi and angisazi ke manje ukuthi sibangabi ke manje futhi lana nje yabo and laba abantu bebegcwele laba khanje that's why abantu balana beanga uthola umsebenzi and thina siyavuma ke manje ukuthi sibuyele ngapha emakhaya ngene sibone ukuthi thina ekhaya lethu sowenza njani and nabantu balana nesibayeke nabo babone ukuthi bazowenza njani nje yabo and thina sizokhuluma no government wethu lapha emakhaya simtshele kaje ukuthi sesibuyile ke manje nazi solungisa ilizwe lethu.
Isiqoko khuma kumakarapa amatacontsele entshebeni ile yiphu siyaqandula indulezi episode esiqandulo siphethe indaba ke namhlanje ke ezabantu abahambayo and then sizoqala ngale qala ke iyelokhuza ke ekamengameli waseNigeria upresident Tinubu awu bayasho impela yasho unkosazana lapha impela uthi abantu hayi abasho impela bashemba wakhe impela thank you president bathi impela president uphethe kahle kabiza impela ama-Nigerian waphethe kahle ngendlela eyisimanga ukuthi impela hayi ababonga hayi yaqhamuka iNkozimalanga wemama qhamuka iNkozimalanga mama yayathi iNkozimalanga thank you for what wenzeni njengoba sicocela izwe lonke libuka nje amanye amazwe ayagoduka Malawi yagoduka iZimbabwe yagoduka wena ama-Nigerians stranded la South Africa sihlulwa amanye amazwe bafuna ukuhamba baye laphana eNigeria bafuna uyolungisizwe nabantu bakhathele they cannot be held ransom by a small country like South Africa bafuna ukuhamba
befuna ukuhamba abantu abahambi ngani abahambi ngani befuna ukuhamba
baye umbuzo
kade betshela ibani ingathi beza nje sebethetha nje sebethi ugovernment wabo ubenzela phansi babe kade bemtshelile ukuthi sisayogibela icrocodile se-South Africa
namanje ngigibela icrocodile
bonke bagibela icrocodile lapha babe kade bemtshelile yini ukuthi sisogibela icrocodile ke manje bashilo kwathiwa kubuyani ngale crocodile enihambe ngayo niphinde nibuye ngayo
sure
why abanje sulabantu entitlement into yabo sidalwa nje entitlement into yabo nje ukuthi kumele kube khona umuntu ozoba responsible for umsangano wabo abawenzile from the beginning sekufanele kube khona omunye umuntu baqale bathi upresident wa South Africa akabasizi ngani bagoduka sebeblame wabo ke manje naye two labantu they are showing no signs ukuthi bafuna ukuhamba ama-Malawians akhombisile ukuthi afuna ukuhamba agcwala umgaqo
nisho
awazange ashonele nale avizana phuma ayohlala egroundini lapha eSherwood akhombisa ukuthi sifuna ukuhamba. Bona baphi? Bacashile bona babonakala indawo bacashile bayifihlile khona.
Wathi
Kodwa
ugovernment
bafuna ukuhamba.
waseNigeria uzokhipha amabhanu amabhanu.
Akangayona iGhana leyo.
Hayi Ghana yakhipha phela oqala kwangatholakala abantu. Asekhipha ke basebetholakala abantu. Nigeria yagcina imemeza nje ithi phela bazolokhuza. Ukhumbula bathi bazovala itolo bezowenzani bamenze parliament ngathi
Inkinga yabo they are all talks and no action. They are all talks and no action. Angithi manje bathini bathi a small country like South. Abona into engixaka ngabo bayakhuluma. Bane energy enkulu yokukhuluma. Action dololo. Hey bayakhuluma. Understand mina ukuthi yini enzima makuthiwa hamba. Ufuna ungitshela ukuthi mina sengingaba nomuntu la endlini engizothi akahamba. Kunokuthi ahambe. Afuna ukungitshela izitori. Indlu yakhe ayisile. Umudlo wakho umuzi wakho mubi kanjena. Kodwa ufuna ukuhlala ufuna ukuhamba. Ufuna ukuhamba kodwa. Awufuni ukuthi ukuhamba mangithi mina hamba. Kodwa ungitshela ukuthi indlu yami imbi. Ngisitshela ukuthi ngisile mina. Indlu yami incane. If ukuthi indlu yami incane, then why ungibangisa ispace kuyona? Engabathi small country. If you guys see it's a small country, why nisbangisela ama resources ethu in our small country? Leave us alone in our small country. Sihlale ngepeace. Nina hambani. Yini nje enzima kuNkulunkulu wami ukuhamba. Bafethu. Nisho ukuthi ukuhamba versus ukukhuluma. Ngcono ukukhuluma. Waphela labantu sebekhulumile. Ukukhuluma kazi kuyakhathaza. Nisho ukuthi kungcono ukukhuluma madoda sinokuhamba.
Wezethi bathi labantu ugovernment wabo is useless. Bayeza lapho akaresign. But at the same time bathi akabazame transport. Uyabona manje ubani ozama transport umuntu azomkhipha. Bazomkhipha phela bamfika.
Bathumela imessage. Ababoni the example ukuthi
hayi
message bakulungisa umhlaba.
Hayi ngeke. Wena ungabe umlanda umuntu owazi uzofika nawe la. Ungathi no angiyeke ahlale lapho uzophola lapho. Phola mdoko.
Basend message in advance.
Manje
uphuma lapho siyeza.
Kuthiwa Nigeria is the loudest country in the world. Abantu bakhona abakwazi ukuaddressa indaba kahle bakhulume kahle. Yes, even though noma ngabe ke you are angry kodwa nje awube angry kahle.
Very loud bangikhumbuza elinye iqembu la South Africa lepolitiki. They are very loud. It's like bafundiswa nje ukuthi you need to make noise. Yeah, khona elinye iqembu la South Africa lepolitiki elazi ukuthi nje fanele lenze umsindo.
Onge la ungathi shu.
Kodwa linga act shase ngathi la act ngoba umsindo.
Umsindo ngena facts ungalutho.
Nabo ke
bayi distraction nje mahala. Hayi nawo kamabhasi ke ayabathathu yabona baze baphelezelwa lana bangapha baze baphelezelwa umphakathi uBD farewell bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi
ilaba ngicabanga ukuthi ilaba base azingikhohliwe le ndawo leni ukuthi kuphi lama bus lawa ugovernment wethu uyadlala ngathi ngingazi ukuthi kunezinsolo zokuthi uyabathatha angathi khona basuka eCape Town khona basuka la eDurban ebese ba drop off in random places but ke luckily everyone is awake eSouth Africa njengamanje wonke umuntu uvukile
nalabo belele sebevukile
sonke si woke njengamanje we are noticing everything so ba notice abonje khona ba droshwa eNewlands eGoli in one of the churches
ngiyakhumbula liyabe bevalwe phakathi
luckily they were very woke babona ukuthi ayibona lamabhasi lawa asuke eDurban ahambisa abaMalawi agcwelele I think aye u3 a drop off abantu why are they being dropped off in Newlands Joburg kanjani are they not supposed to be on their way to Malawi so balwa kwaqanjwa amanga kwathi uyichama station ichama station kanjani ngenkathi beza la baba nayo ichama station ngenkathi beza ngama crocodile mase khanjwa ngamabhasi kufanele ube lechama station and nakhona amachama station akhona out of the way they are not even on the way so ku questionable ukuthi kanjani
iproblem phela ngithi government wayihlinzekelena idlanzana yazi ukuthi idlanzana elila mase qhamuka ke manje umuntu Malawi yena sebenza ngeTransport kwaqhamuka over 30,000 people kulo mzuzu bokuhlinzekele mhlawumbe about 3,000 people.
Yeah, angisiphela
Manje
ugovernment
abasazi
waseMalawi.
government manje ukuthi uzoyithini le.
Ugovernment waseMalawi be prepared for repatriation.
Eh.
Then ke wase emshaya funds. Then ke owala South Africa usenza i-deportation. I-deportation phela basukela baye emakuba bamusa ukushintshwa ama-sports. So they are acting as if they are doing deportation kanti bayaba relocate within South Africa to save imali. So njengamanje we need to be more than woke as South Africans. Ngiyawadabukela lezi ndawo lezi ezirelaxile ezithi zona they welcome ama foreigners, they don't care ngoba they will be dropped off kulezo indawo lezo. Abona nje nabo Limpopo
njengamanje
bonke laba barelaxile bazosuswa la kuthini esilwayo.
Njengamanje ngicela sishayele KZN ihlombe. KZN sishayele ihlombe. Hayi bafana. KZN iyayilid country. KZN labantu KZN bafethu ba patriotic kakhulu ngezwe labo. Bayathanda. Uyabona it's like umuntu uma engabona ufuna umvusa ngenkani. KZN ivusa South Africa ngenkani yonke. Kade lana be against amaZulu ukuthiwa i-tribalism kuthiwa kodwa manje abantu ngenye isiyangijabulisa sebeyayibona lento manje abantu. And futhi okumnandi nalabo futhi abaxoshwayo sebeyabona nabo.
No, we still have stupid people. We still have abantu
phela ngeke zathi abantu bavuleka amehlo kanye kanye.
Yeah, basakhona isakhona idomu kodwa kulungileke phela ngeke sonke sivuleke sibe woke sonke.
Basifica ngendlela.
Khona bazovuleka, khona bazoba woke. Kodwa nje mina engingakusho bafowethu nina enisalele thina KZN sizoba nepeace. The abantu they will relocate to you guys. Already I've heard ito lezovala la KZN la eThekwini. And I'm pretty sure abavali bagoduka bazogodwa nje bazovala izitolo. They are relocating. They are coming to you guys nina relaxile nithi we don't want trouble thina. We are not xenophobic thina. We want peace. Yebo, they want peace nabo, so they will come and join you. Be prepared ukuthi they will come and take over kulezo indawo zenifuna peace kuzona. Impompo.
Ngizocela nibuke our previous video, i-video esiyenza izolo. La kuvuleke khona amathuba omsebenzi eKZN. Amathuba omsebenzi avuleke eKZN kwacaca ukuthi sekushoda bona abantu. Previous video ngicela nibuyele back i-video yethu ezidlule kuyona nibone ukuthi umsebenzi weKZN ngokuthi clean ikhiphela abantu ukuthi mangana amathuba omsebenzi avulekile. South Africa it shows ukuthi na angoba umsebenzi ungeke umsebenzi mningi ungaphezulu kwethu. But ngenxa yokuthi ke abantu bangaphandle sebefuna uba baningi ukudlula thina sizoba nenkinga iqala lapho ke bese ngathi ugovernment asenzeli lutho kanti ugovernment usebenzela abantu bangaphandle.
Yeah.
Bese kuba yile yalombhemi lo waseMalawi lokade ebonge South Africa ethi lento
ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu owaseMalawi kwazi ukukhuluma.
Hayi cha ngosamnandi.
Hlakaniphile. Bonke nje laba abanye they are angry bayisa bayakhonothe ama South Africans azukudayisa otamatisi nje kuphela. The only thing they know is to sell tomatoes.
Bitterness leyo yeah.
Salani notamatisi benu. Thina sihlakaniphile sinengqondo kwasho kwacima wavuthi amalangabi. Kusho the same people abanakhela izindlu eziwayo kodwa ngoba nani ma South Africans. Niyayithanda into eyisheshayo. Nibizo omakhi khona abantu abazosala nomakhi nezindlu ezingaphelile omakhi bahambe nezimali.
Seyibuka ziyawindonga zikheka zikhuphuke. Ujabuliswa ukuthi abantu babakhindle bayiqeda ngosuku.
Cheap labor. Ujabuliswa cheap and fast labor. Those two things can never be in one sentence. Cheap and fast. There's no way. If it's cheap and fast, obvious. Kuzobheda lapho.
Kuzobheda. No, sizocela ukubonga nina nibuke nazo nafika la. Sizocela lo nisubscribeile ku channel yethu Isiqandulo. Sizama ukuyiletha indaba sihlaziye ngolimi lethu uMageba esithandayo noma ke siyenza imix lapho nalapho kodwa ke sinje asibonge izandla idlula ikhanda. Mlungisi Kennedy mfowethu siyabonga uhlezi ukhona sonke isikhathi. Danke siyabonga. Shibirishi siyashibilika. Danku.